So welcome to the new video, guys. So today topic is about the refinements, how you can do refinements, and how you can minimize your risk and make your entries a lot more precise than before, right? So let's start the video. So let's imagine price making lower lows and lower highs, and price is in a bearish trend, right? So price made a break of structure from here, goes to the downside, and now what we can expect is price can make a pullback from here, right? So we have to do the we have to select the zone from where price can make a pullback, right? So this is the only zone where the inefficiency came to the downside. Price made a break of structure, liquidity sweep, enough imbalance, everything, right? So we select the 4 hour candle. So this is a 4 hour zone. So let me write on this. So write on the so you won't get confused. 4 hour zone, right? So this is a 4 hour zone, and that candle is so too big. And if we go in a 15-minute zone, you can see a much smaller candlestick in this zone, right? So so what happen is, in this way you can minimize your risk and make your entries a lot more precise. That's why do we do refinements. Okay. So this is the basic, guys. So let me explain in a brief. So please watch video till the end and share it to your friends. If you haven't watched the other videos yet, please do watch these videos, because that is very important to watch if you haven't watched, because you won't understand this concept if you haven't watched those videos. And if you have some knowledge about the supply and demands, you can watch the video till the end. It'll be very helpful for you, right? So let's start. So this is the basic. So let's go on a live chart. Let me move all the times. So from here price is in a bearish trend. So let me start. So now what we can see is price was in a bullish trend. In a bullish trend. From here price made a break of structure, goes upside, down, right? So from here price made a break of structure, right? So now what we can do is, so if we see this all is these all our candles are mitigated, right? So let me show you how it works, right? So if you go in a 15-minute chart, you can see how the refinement works, right? So this was a 4 hour zone, and this is a 15-minute zone. So you can see how beautifully this works, right? So this was a liquidity to the upside, right? Price made a break of structure, price sweep this liquidity, made a change of character from here and went to the upside. So this was all the liquidity. And from sorry guys. So now how how this refinement beautifully works. So if we see in a 4 hour zone, all the candles are mitigated, and you can get confused, right? So which zone we should select, right? So let me tell you the other thing I forgot to tell you. From this zone, you have to select the candle before the up, like if the price is a bearish trend, you have to select the opposite candle, right? Just like this. So if we go in a 5 minute zone, it can be more precise. So if we get so see how beautifully this works, right? So this is how refinements work. So now what you can do is, you don't have to refine those candle 15-minute candle that is refined from the 4 hour zone, right? You can only find the 15-minute candle that is not defined from the 4 hour zone, right? If the 15-minute candle is defined from the 15-minute zone, you cannot go in a 5 minute zone and can refine this those candles, right? So let's imagine if I If I choose this push, right? If I select this zone, because the inefficiency came from this candle wick, not from the candle, from the candle wick, right? And if I select this zone, and if I go in a 15-minute zone, right? If I go in a 15-minute zone, I can't refine this zone in a 5-minute zone, right? I can only refine those 15-minute zones that is not refined from the 4-hour zones. You getting me? Wait, let me write on this, then you will understand. 4-hour zone to 15-minute, right? And 15-minute to 5-minute. And we select the 1 minute time frame for the entries. So I will tell you all these things in the next upcoming videos. So don't worry, guys. Right? So what I was telling you, you cannot refine 15-minute zones that is refined from the 4-hour zones, right? But you can refine 15-minute zone to the 5-minute zones that is not refined from the 4-hour zones, right? So if you have any doubt, you can contact me and I will let you know everything, and then I will clear your doubts, right? So this is how refinements works and how you can do refinements. So please do subscribe, guys. If you haven't watched, if you haven't subscribed yet, please share it to your friends. And the next upcoming videos will be really powerful videos for you, and that will be totally different from all the other mentors that are teaching you. So please do subscribe, guys. So wait for the next video. Thank you.